Welcome. This is the RDT X-Fence accessory, basic information and install video. The RDT X-Fence is a rugged little ripping fence accessory for the rapidly detachable table. It provides an accurate means to rip pieces of stock from a wider piece. While not absolutely or always necessary, I will start the mounting process by putting a screw in each end hole of the fence adjustment. This will help position the fence to mate with the table, reducing clearances. Since I have washers on my RDT from using the RDT V-Guide accessory, I will invert the table so that they fall out of the way onto the flange of the screws. Now I am pressing the fence against my bench to get a tight mounting. If you mount your X-Fence while the RDT is already mounted on your saw, just push the fence assembly toward the blade as you tighten the nuts. In order to maintain a rigid but flat tabletop surface, the X-Fence uses flathead hex adjustment screws. There are 3 screw holes. It is preferable to use 2, but 1 screw can be adequate due to the designed contact between pieces. This is an example of using the X-Fence to the left of the blade for long pieces. It is retained with just 1 adjustment screw. Here we are ripping strips on the right side of the blade. 2 adjustment screws can be used in this position. Here is an example of a bit thicker piece.